a sweatsuit. Put the hoodie on right now. It fits perfectly. I like applying for opportunities, just keep my mind distracted. So I applied. I was very excited to get the congratulations email that I have made it. I figured that this was going to be an amazing opportunity, a fun opportunity, all around learning, improving the game, and adding things in there. I thought that it was really cool to see what possible career adventures I could go on. Kind of hear the MVP league's thoughts on like their process, try to encourage them to do better and engage more on challenges. Sometimes when I'm bored, I make designs on Canva, and Printify is where you can put it on shirts, clothes, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, bags, anything. Like coming up with these ideas in my head is really, really easy. I love using Canva. So the Stemuli background I made, I was like, okay, yes, I have to make it. I look forward to my future because I know that I'm going to be someone one day.